Retirement planning is something many of us keep delaying. But the truth is, the earlier you start, the stronger your future becomes. Namaste. Your Nivesh Guru is back with another lesson. Let's understand who should invest in NPS and why it can be a smart choice for your future. Because NPS is not just about saving money, it's about building a reliable income for your retirement years. Who should invest in NPS? NPS is designed to be a long-term partner for your retirement. If you are a salaried employee, it helps you build disciplined savings alongside your regular income. If you are self-employed, it gives you a structured way to create your own pension even without an employer-backed plan. And if you are just starting your career, NPS gives your money the time it needs to grow and build a strong financial base. In simple terms, NPS is for anyone who wants to secure their future financially. Let's understand this with a simple example. NPS returns are subject to market risk and the numbers mentioned in the example can vary in reality. Imagine you start investing Rs 5,000 every month in NPS at the age of 25. Over time, with market-linked returns and the power of compounding, this investment keeps growing steadily. Let's assume an average return of around 10%. By the time you reach 60, you could build a substantial retirement corpus simply by staying consistent. Now compare this with someone who starts at 40. Even if they invest Rs 10,000 every month, they may still end up with a smaller corpus because they had less time in the market. That's the real power of NPS, starting early and staying invested. So why choose NPS? It encourages disciplined investing, helping you stay consistent over the long term. Your money is invested across different asset classes, allowing it to grow with market-linked returns. At the same time, it also offers tax benefits, making it an efficient way to plan your future. It's not just about saving, it's about building wealth for your retirement in a structured way. The long-term advantage. One of the biggest strengths of NPS is time. The longer you stay invested, the more your money benefits from compounding and market growth. This helps you build a retirement corpus that can support your lifestyle even after you stop working. In short, NPS helps you turn small, regular investments into long-term financial security. At LIC Pension Fund, we make your retirement journey simple and trustworthy. With expert fund management and an easy digital platform, you can start investing, track your growth, and plan your future with complete confidence. While you focus on your present, we help secure your future. Don't wait to plan your retirement. Start early, stay consistent, and let your money grow over time. Invest with trust, invest with LIC Pension Fund, because the best time to secure your future is today.